I've got an idea. Hi, I'm Lou, and this is Lily Rowe. And we're out in the woods, it's springtime, and we've just heard a woodpecker tap, tap, tapping. So we thought we would share with you 3 ideas to do with tapping sticks at forest school. So a quick word about tapping sticks before we get into the ideas. So tapping sticks could just literally be sticks you find off of the ground. They make an alright sound. However, if you want to go a bit more, luxury sticks, my personal favourite is hazel, because it's a very resonant wood, and so they make quite a good sound. So you could do this with the learners. You could either saw some pieces of hazel or use loppers if they're smaller pieces, or if you want to get even more elaborate, these are still hazel but they've been a bit more decorated. So what we did, if you imagine that was one piece, we've drilled a hole in one. You could do it in both, drill a hole and then cut it off to size so that you could then add wool or ribbons or shells or whatever you want, and then they've been decorated a little bit, so you could turn them into a little craft project. So the first idea is just call and response type games. So very simply, I'm going to play a rhythm on my sticks and Lily Rowe's going to copy. Maybe. Ready? You do it. So you could add some extra bits to that game. For example, you could tap out the syllables of words. So it's springtime, so we've got a little tune which is, it is spring, time to sing, what do you see? Buds are bursting.
Buds are bursting.
Buds are bursting. You do it?
Buds are bursting.
Buds are bursting.
Buds are bursting.
It is spring, time to sing, what do you see?
It's spring.
What do you see?
What do you see?
Yeah, what do you see?
Clouds.
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 Huh?
And so on and so forth. The second idea is a little song to practice controlling your tapping sticks, and we have done it in honour of the woodpecker. So, woodpeckers tapping, 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 woodpeckers tapping, tap, tap, tap.
Woodpeckers are tapping.
Tapping, tapping, woodpeckers tapping, tap, tap, tap. Now he's tapping softly, softly, softly. Now he's tapping softly, tap, tap, tap. Now he's tapping loud, loud, loud. Now he's tapping loud, tap, tap, tap. Now he's tapping slowly, slowly, slowly. Now he's tapping slowly, tap, tap, tap. Now he's tapping fast, fast, fast. Now he's tapping fast, 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 fast. Now he's tapping high, high, high. Now he's tapping high, tap, tap, tap. Now he's tapping low, low, low. Now he's tapping low, tap, tap, tap. Okay, so on and so forth. You can add whatever you like into that song. The third and final idea we want to share with you is a game, which is kind of a bit like a sound version of hide and seek.
I love playing hide and seek.
You do like hide and seek, but this game, one person is blindfolded, and then you want to set a playing area, so perhaps not too far away in the distance for the hiders, and they're going to hide with a pair of tapping sticks, and when they're ready, so they're going to hide whilst the blindfolded person's not looking, and maybe you want to count. And then when they are ready to play, the blindfolded person stays blindfolded, but everyone starts tapping their sticks. and then they've got to try and find them by walking very carefully through the environment to reach the sound of them tapping their sticks. So of course you could change how difficult that is based on the environment. A grassy playing field is going to be, I guess, your simplest and safest option, but then if you moved into a woodland with more obstacles to navigate round, and that's going to make it more challenging. You could also, each of the hiding people could have a different tune that they play, a different rhythm, so it might be possible to identify the people by the different sounds, and so you can kind of mix it up. And if you wanted to make it really, really challenging, you could allow the hiders to move slowly with their sticks and see if the blindfolded person can find them. But you know, you might have a very experienced kind of blindfold the person to do that, and you end up with a chase through the woods. So there you go, 3 ideas for using tapping sticks for a score. Do you have any other ideas? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel so you can join us in the woods next time. And thanks for watching.
Yes.
Bye.
Yes, go. Yes.
Make some music the Woodpecker way. With tapping sticks we all can play. Cut some hazel at 90 degrees and beat out some rhythms.
Tomatoes.
I meant tap.